Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deshik. Student, today our topic is Chapter 11, CBQ 3. Lecture Nong 25, H0 Nong 14. Look, the question. Masuda Begum is entitled to get leave for 3 months, 3 weeks, 12 days. She took leave for 2 months, 4 weeks, 3 days. This is the stamp. Now see question. How many days does Masuda Begum entitled to get leave? B number. How many days leave? How many days leave can she take more? Okay. Look, solution. How many days does Masuda Begum entitled to get leave? You see, Masuda Begum is entitled to get leave, right? Masuda Begum is entitled to get leave 3 months, 3 weeks, 12 days. Our question, how many days? How many days does Masuda Begum entitled to get leave? So, this is months. We have to convert these into days. Similarly, weeks into days. Okay? And days is remaining same. We know 1 week equal to 7 days. Okay? And 1 month equal to 30 days. Okay? 1 month equal to 30 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. Okay? So 30 into 3, this is days. Similarly, 3 into 7, 12 days, 12 days. Right here, hence 1 month equal to 30 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. Student, look, we have to convert these months, weeks into days. Okay, so we know 1 month equal to 30 days. Therefore, 3 months equal to 30 into 3. Similarly, 1 week equal to 7 days. Therefore, 3 weeks equal to 3 into 7. 12 days, 12 days. Now, 90 days plus 21 days plus what? 12 days. Okay? Now adding 2 plus 1, that means 3. 2 plus 1, 9, or you may consider 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. That means 123 days. Okay, student? And this is our record result. Now write the answer. Answer 123 days. That means Masuda Begum is entitled to get leave is 123 days. Okay. Now B number. How many days leave can she take more? Okay. How many days leave can she take more? Look, Masuda Begum is already entitled to get leave 123 days. Okay, so write from A. Masuda Begum is entitled to get leave 123 days. Now, she took leave for 2 months, 4 weeks, right? She took leave for 2 months, 4 weeks, 3 days. She took leave for 2 months, 4 weeks, 3 days. We have to convert this also into days. 30 plus 4 into 7 days plus 3 days. Right here the hands. 1 month equal to 30 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. Look, this is 2 months, so we have to convert into days. That means 2 months equal to 2 into 30. Okay, that means 60 days. 4 weeks, that we know 1 week equal to 7 days. Therefore 4 weeks equal to 4 into 7. 3 days, 3 days. Now 60 days, then 28 days plus 3 days. Adding now 8 plus 3, 11. Right here 11, and you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 2, that means 3 plus 6, 9 days. That means she took leave actually 91 days. Now question, how many days leave can she take more? Okay, now write. Therefore she took leave more 123 minus 91 days. Subtract 2. That means 30 days. Okay, student. 3 minus 1, that means 2. 9, and this is 2. We cannot subtract 9 from 2, so you have to consider 2 as 12. Now subtract 9 from 12, then we get what? 3. Okay, this is equal to what? 1 month, 2 days. Okay, student, write the answer. 1 month, 2 days. Student, look here, I have converted here days to month. Okay, we know 1 month equal to 30 days, so 32 days equal to what? 1 month and 2 days. So I have written 1 month, 2 days. Answer 1 month, 2 days. Okay, student, I hope you understood today's class. Student, now look, SMQ 3, this is very, very important for your exam, and this is your HW. Okay, student, you see, this question is your HW. Okay, student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.